Alright, so over here we have a 2006 Toyota Tundra, and I'm going to show how to take off the airbag. So before you get to this stage, there's probably a piece of plastic here which I don't have, and then there's that screw. If you unscrew, it's a T30, and it's attached to this tab right here, which is not going to fall out. And also to the other side, over here where the cruise control lever is, there's a piece of plastic here. You also pop it out, and there's that screw also right there. You have to unscrew, and after you get those two screws, this should come out. And so I don't know why they made it so hard, but in order to separate this airbag, it's attached over there. And I guess in order to take out that, you have to take out the whole steering wheel. So there was a nut over there, which I unscrewed. Here it is. And then in order to take off the steering wheel, what I did is, there's a hole right there, and there's a hole right there. You have to find, I found some matching thread screws, bolts, and I put one inside here and I put one inside the other one, and then I would screw them in, and doing that, it presses against the back side and the steering wheel pops out. But before you pop out the steering wheel, what I'll do, just in case, so that the alignment will be correct, is that I put some marks just to know how to align it back when I'll be putting it back together, just in case. So I'm not quite exactly sure if this is necessary or not, but I'm gonna just do as a extra safety. Before I'm put on the new one, I already disconnected the car battery, because there might be some safety features where the light then goes on the dashboard, and then I think you have to maybe go to the dealers in order to get it turned off or something. So I'm gonna just disconnect the car battery just in case, so that then there's gonna be no complications. So before you remove the steering wheel, in order to take out there's that round thing right there, you will have to take it out through the steering wheel, and there's not much space right now, so we'll have to remove this plastic right here. So that bolt right there, that bolt right there, you have to remove. And then also this wire might be hooked in this hook right here, so just make sure it's free. And also over here, this wire, it was inside of here, I just took it out. And then also this lever for the cruise control, it was screwed in over there and over here, which I undid so that it's not going to be in the way when I will be taking out this piece of plastic. And so then after you get those screws, and then those, when you'll be taking off the plastic, there's those little ear pieces you'll have to unclip so that the plastic comes out. So after you take out the steering wheel, there was a piece of plastic here that I already took out, which it went under the steering wheel right here. And there's these two bolts you have to take out, and then there's also a bolt underneath the plastic, which you have to unscrew. And I do that in order so I can reach those right there. That bolt, there's 4 bolts. This you have to take this thing out. So once you get the steering wheel out, there's these wires that you have to disconnect, which were attached to this piece right here, the white one and the yellow one. And the yellow one is kind of maybe tricky. You have to figure out how to do it, which this tab inside, it moves, so you have to move it like this way, and then it should slide out. It should slide out from here. So as you see, now it's time to take out this through the steering wheel. So as you see, here's the airbag, The seat belt, there's that plastic I already took out. Just make sure these clips these screws might fall out, so not to lose them. And then the last thing I guess is right here, this clip. You can hook it from there, which goes to the cruise control. And then also right here, you have to take out this. So when you try to take out this wire right here, there's a little tab right there on top right here, right there, which you have to press, and then you pull it up and it should pop out. And there you go. There's the airbag, and time for me to put in the other one.